Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. As you can tell from the thumbnail and from the title, I do have an exciting announcement and unboxing to do, but I also have a second part of this video that is already uploaded that is the story part of this video. And this is a very personal video to me and to my husband, so bear with me as I work through it. But the exciting announcement is that Blake and I are very excited to share that we are expecting a little girl in 2026. But this has not been an easy journey for us. There's been a lot of sadness and heartbreak along the way. And so that is what the second video is really talking all about. Pregnancy loss and infertility is not something that is an easy topic to discuss, and is something that, particularly as a woman, you can feel very alone going through. And so my hope with the second video is that if you are going through that, if you know someone going through that, if you've been through that, that portion of me opening up and telling sort of that story will help you to be encouraged, to feel less alone. The story part is linked down below, so if you don't want to see the unboxing, if you are in need of encouragement, if you are struggling with pregnancy loss and infertility, please go ahead and click on that video down below. But for those of you who would like to see a little bit more of the happy side of things, well, Blake and I are super excited to be sharing the news that we are expecting a little girl. And we did pick her up a couple of things in Paris. And so I will be sharing those items that we got for our daughter in Paris now in this video. This is exciting, and so we're going to start out with the two little things that we picked up for our little girl. One of which comes in this super cute little hedgehog packaging. This was our little purchase that we got in Galeries Lafayette. And, oh, it's all taped and stickered together. I'm gonna have to rip this tissue paper. That makes me sad. This is our little item from Galeries Lafayette. So I did make a purchase there. And it was on sale! But it is this super cute little onesie, and so it's got this little collar on it, and it's got these beautiful flowers and little ruffles on the sleeves and little feet, and it's got little snaps, and I saw it and I just thought it was really precious and pretty, and it also wasn't breaking the bank, because some of the things in there were very expensive, even for babies, and so I was really excited to get this. This is a brand called, looks like, I don't know if this is supposed to be a tea, if it's supposed to be Tantin et Chocolat, or if it's supposed to be Fontaine. I'll type it out, but this is the little label. And they had a lot of really cute, really sweet things that we loved, but this one was actually affordable. So we got this little sweet outfit for her. And then the other thing that we got her, which came in phenomenal packaging, and Meredith from Living Lux with Meredith had kindly put on her Instagram stories for me, asking for some baby store recommendations, because she and I had planned to go baby shopping for me together. But one of the places that was recommended was the Atelier Shoe. And so Blake and I did go there, and they have amazing packaging. I mean, look at how beautiful this bag is. And then in addition to getting a beautiful bag, you get a stunningly beautiful box. Like, look at how lovely that this box is. And then within the box, which is a little magnetic box, so pretty on the inside. And it even comes with beautiful little card as well that you can write on. And beautiful tissue paper. I don't know if the design of the tissue paper is going to show up or not, but we wanted to buy something that was a little bit of a souvenir from our trip, since obviously our daughter is in me and therefore on this trip as well. But we got, and I think I'm probably going to have to insert a picture of this so that it all fits, but we got this blanket that is of Versailles, and it's a little like sort of like wrap her up swaddling blanket. And since we went to Versailles, I let Blake pick the one that we got, And he chose the Versailles pattern, and so it's just really beautiful and cute and precious, and so we'll swaddle her up in this some, and that will definitely be posted as a picture. But we thought that it would sort of be nice for her to have her own little Versailles souvenir from our trip, since she has technically been to Versailles, even though she will not remember it at all whatsoever. And so that completes the rest of my Paris unboxings I'm going to show you guys. As every other thing that I got is a gift for someone else. But yeah, we had to pick up a couple of sweet little things for our little girl. So thank you for sharing in our joy and in our excitement with us. But if you would like to hear about what it was that we went through to get to this point, please make sure to click that video down in the description box below. And with that, I hope that you have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye!